Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making fish recipe. If your kids not eating fish, do these kind of variety of recipes. Kids like it very much. I am taking fish fillets 1 kg. You can take normal fish without bone. Cut like this. Cut the small strips. Now, now fish strips is ready. Wash very well. Salt, pepper 2 tablespoons. Mix everything. Marinate for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, all-purpose flour 1 cup. Cornstarch half cup. Red chilli powder 2 tablespoons. Salt as per taste. Mixed herbs 1 tablespoon optional. Mix all dry ingredients. Keep aside. Corn slurry for dipping. You can use egg as well. Dip the chicken fish strips in this powder. Now dip in corn slurry. Now coat all dry powder again. Refrigerate for 1 hour before frying. Oil for frying. Fry the fish strips. Cook on medium heat for 15 minutes or fry until changes color. Cook on both sides. Fry on both sides. Now it's ready. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video. Get notified. Crispy fish strips is ready to serve. Store up to 2 months in refrigerator. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.